are out there, so it looks like all is good. Alright, so Paula Baker and Teresa Nardell McKee taking off to the course. And Teresa putting down a great 5.16 light over there on the right. Paula Baker a 7.92. Teresa looking good for the finish over here on the right. On the left side, fortunately we've got a bow run up the line here, but everything is going to clear on the right side. We'll have to wait for them to finish the top over there for Kostov as he is right off into the agricultural area.
Sorry! Holy shit!
And yeah, I wish I'd seen that sooner. If Devin still had Ustream going, as that would be a good one there. Still in the second spot, but just 60 thousandths in front of Joshua Salvage, who has 2 runs to go. Teresa Nardell McKee looks like she may have got a cone on the way out this time. And yeah, she's showing up there. Picked up 6 tenths, 28.5. Up 1.1 on the right, only moves him up 1, but he needs a left side run. He'll come back up in a moment here. Joshua Salvage through on the right with a 30.263. 700 light. Final run here to try and get up into the second trophy spot. He's 60 thousandths back right now. Teresa Nardell McKee hitting the second cone on course. Not sure if that was on the bottom.